Hi everyone and welcome to another Fusion 360 quick tip. So I have here the Fusion 360 monthly challenge for November. And if I left click and hold, so as you can see, I am moving our components. I'm going to go to front view, and if I select a specific joint, so this one is currently highlighted in blue, left click and right click, selecting animate model. So we are now seeing the effects of the revolute joint applied to our component. So moving forward, if I want to stop the animation, I can hit escape. So next, let's go to our assemble drop down and select motion study. Now here we are prompted to select a joint to add points. So I can select, let's consider this joint as our driving entity. So left click, and I'm going to left click here for our step 1. I'm going to key in 0. And if I would like our step to be at 60, here I can key in 60. So going back to 1, hitting tab, and left click here, I'm going to key in 360, hitting tab. Now for our mode, I'd like this to play in loop, hitting play. And from here, I can move the slider to speed things up and to slow things down. Now, if I'd like to delete a specific motion point, I can left click this one and select this subtract icon here or here. So notice we have a downward line. Now, if I would like this to be a perfectly diagonal line, I'm going to hit cancel and select our driving joint, left click, right click, and we should select go to home position. So going back to assemble and selecting motion study. So notice I have this perfectly horizontal. So left click for our first point, the angle to be 0, left click here, keying in 360. I want the step to be at the end, so this one should be 99. So notice our diagonal line, selecting the loop mode and hitting play. I would like to add a specific point. I'm going to hit pause. I can select this one. So notice we have added another horizontal line or path for our motion study. So that is what motion study is in Fusion 360. And I hope to see you soon on the next lesson. Awesome.